What you want? Okay. Get your plate. Kuya, get a meat. Yeah. Sorry. Look, this one, Kuya. The ring. Si nanay. La, she got a meat too. Look. Go to your table, my love. To your table. Until there, Kuya, oh. They still have their also. Come, my love. Go to your table. It's okay. Oh, Kuya, not there. Not there. Here. Right here. Conditions never change. It's something real. Wow. Good. Hungry. She's hungry.
You have rice there. You want rice?
Yeah. Yeah, we will get the rice.
Saan na yan, Ted?
Ano na? 4.
Ano, anak ko rin. Ganyan yung anak ko payat. 1 year old. And 6, 5 months.
Ano ito eh? Ayaw kumain ng rice.
Hindi. Nagmana rin talaga sa katawan ko. Kaya rin ako. Mana-mana ata.
Oo.
Tapos kapag kahit magdalaga siya, no, hindi siya masyado.
What you like? Where you wanna go?
So cute. So cute.
Leave your toy because you get food. Yeah, leave it here. Yeah.
Gusto niyo ba ng tubig?
Oo.
Hindi ko ano sa ano hindi ko kasama sa
Soft drinks na lang kaya.
Kasi ito ano po? May Pepsi kami o kaya juice.
Coca-Cola meron.
Meron po kami Pepsi.
Pepsi lang. Oh, sige, Pepsi. No? Okay. Oh. Okay. Tatlong ano, Pepsi. Tapos isang maliit na. What did you get, Kuya? Ano, ako? Where's your food, Nay? Wow, look at the big plate.